In this video, I'm going to show you how to split test your funnels so that you can see which versions of your funnel pages perform best. So let's go ahead and navigate over to our funnels by clicking on funnels over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to click into my funnel, the funnel that we have been working on. So let's say that I want to see which version of my opt-in page is going to perform best. I might have multiple versions, or I might just want to test multiple versions of my opt-in page. So to create a split test, all I'm going to do is click on the three little dots on the page that I would like to create a split test on, and then I'm going to select split test. And you'll see that I am now able to split test. That has created a variant, which is a duplicate of this page. I can then go ahead and edit that to my heart's content, change the things that I want to change, and then I can see which of these is going to perform better. And you'll notice that I have a little traffic slider. So currently all of the traffic is being sent to this opt-in page, and none of the traffic is being sent to this opt-in page. But I can go ahead and change this to be whatever percentage I would like it to be. So I'm going to set that at 50%. So now I've got 50% of my traffic being sent to this version of the page and 50% of my traffic being sent to that version of the page. Creating a split test is really that easy. And if I want to see any more details about these two pages and the split tests, all I want to do is show stats, and I'll be able to see how each of these are performing. So another thing to note is that when you want to share the link for your funnel, you're generally going to click on the three dots over here. You're going to copy that link, and then you're going to use that link wherever it is that you are promoting this funnel. But you might be a little bit confused, might be a little bit stressed. Which link do I copy? The link is the same. So for both versions of this page, it doesn't matter if you copy the link from this version or if you copy the link from this version, it's going to be the same link, and the page that renders has a 50-50% chance. So anyone clicking on that link has a 50% chance of going to this opt-in page and a 50% chance of going to this opt-in page. Now you can, of course, create more split tests. So if you want to have maybe 3 versions of the page going at the same time and testing each of those versions, you can go ahead and create another split test and then adjust how much traffic you want to be sent to that version of the page. So you can make it a relatively even spread as well. And there you go. You now have 33% of your traffic going here, 33% of your traffic going here, and 34% of your traffic going there. So that is how you can create split tests within your funnels. Now, after a while, you are going to look at the results of these split tests and you can declare a winning page. So let's say that this page is starting to perform better than either of these two. You can slowly start to increase the traffic to that page and reduce the traffic to those other two pages so that you can get more people going through that one and seeing if it is continuing to perform well. But once you've decided that, yeah, this is the winning page, you can then go ahead, click those 3 dots and declare a winner. And it's going to ask you to confirm this, and it's going to tell you that this page is now going to receive 100% of the traffic, and all of your other variations for this page are going to be archived. So I'm going to confirm that. And now if I want to see those archived pages, all I have to do is click on the 3 dots and view my archived pages, and I'll be able to access those pages here within the archive. It's also important to note that not only can you run split tests on your opt-in page, but you can run split tests on any page within your funnel. So if I come to my bridge page, you'll see that I'm able to create a split test for that page as well. And that is going to continue down the normal funnel path. So any page that you would like to run a split test on, you are able to do so on any of them. So that is how you can create split tests in your funnels. In the next video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about funnel expiry. I'll see you there.